Hey there, and welcome. Over the next few minutes, we're going to dig into a technology that is completely changing the game for business survival, using artificial intelligence to manage disaster recovery. So let's jump right in.
All right, just so you know where we are, this is part 4 of an 8-part series. It's all based on a really comprehensive implementation guide from our friends at Virtualization Options LLC. We're breaking down the report on AI-enabled business continuity and disaster recovery, and this one's built specifically for you, IT managers, and senior management.
Today, we are zeroing in on Chapter 4, and this is a big one. It's all about data management and protection. We're going to be looking at the hands-on strategies you need to safeguard and, if the worst happens, recover your organization's most vital digital assets. So here's our game plan for today. First, we're going to establish why data is the absolute lifeline of your business. Then, we'll lay out a blueprint for protecting it and map out a step-by-step recovery playbook. After that, we'll get to the really cool part, the AI advantage, and we'll wrap it all up with what this means for you, your mandate for resilience.
So, let's start at the very beginning. Before we can even talk about recovery plans or AI, we have to agree on one fundamental truth that shapes every single decision we're about to discuss.
Okay, let's be crystal clear about this. Your data isn't just important, it is the absolute lifeblood of your organization. We're talking about everything: customer records, your intellectual property, financial data, you name it. Losing access to this stuff isn't just an IT headache. No way. It's an existential threat, and it can be just as devastating as a fire sweeping through your main office. So protecting it isn't just a good idea, it is absolutely non-negotiable for survival. Right. So if this data is so critical, how in the world do you protect it all without, an infinite budget? Well, the answer is all about being strategic. You need a smart blueprint, because the reality is, not all data is created equal. And this, right here, this is the core of that blueprint. This tiered system is how you get strategic and smart. Just look at Tier 1, your mission-critical data. For this stuff, your recovery point objective. That's how much data you can afford to lose, and your recovery time objective, how fast you need to be back online, are measured in minutes. That demands something powerful, like continuous replication. But as you go down the tiers to less critical data, those objectives stretch out to hours, days, even weeks. And that means you can use more cost-effective methods like daily backups or just periodic archives. This is exactly how you align your protection strategy and your budget with the actual business impact. Okay, so you've got your protection plan all mapped out. Fantastic. But what happens when the alarm bells actually start ringing for real? In the middle of a crisis, you don't need some massive binder you have to flip through. You need a playbook, a simple, clear, actionable set of steps to guide your team right through the chaos. And here is that playbook. It's a 5-step process. It all starts with the initial assessment. What in the world just happened? From there, you move to scoping. Okay, how bad is it really? How widespread is the damage? Step 3 is the heavy lifting, the recovery itself. But you can't just stop there. Step 4, verification, is absolutely critical. This is where you bring in the actual business users to confirm that everything is working just like it should. Only after that can you confidently hit the big green button and return to operations. Having a process this clear is what separates panic from professionalism when a crisis hits. All right, this is where things get really interesting. We've covered the plan, we've covered the playbook. Those are the fundamentals. Now let's talk about the force multiplier. Let's look at how AI elevates this whole process from being simply automated to being genuinely intelligent. So, what's the first huge advantage? Prediction. See, instead of your team just reacting based on some static runbook, AI can analyze the incident as it's happening. It looks at the unique fingerprints of the failure, compares them to historical patterns, and it predicts the single most efficient recovery path. It's like having a grandmaster chess player on your team who's always thinking 5 moves ahead. The second advantage is orchestration. A major recovery isn't just one step, it's a whole symphony of hundreds of little tasks happening across dozens of different systems. AI acts as the conductor here. It automates and orchestrates all these complex workflows. It can run steps in parallel that a human team could never hope to juggle, and it does it with almost no intervention. And the result? You slash your recovery time from hours down to minutes. And this brings us to a huge, often overlooked benefit. Let's be honest, under pressure, even the best people make mistakes. It's just human nature. A little typo in a command line, a step done out of order. By automating these incredibly complex procedures, AI basically takes that risk right off the table. It massively reduces the chance that a simple human error could turn a really bad day into a catastrophic one. This quote from the source material it nails the core concept perfectly. Think about it. Traditional automation is just a rigid script. It follows a predefined path, and that's it. If it hits something it doesn't expect, a new error code, a weird network delay, the script just fails. End of story. But AI creates an adaptive system. It can analyze that unexpected problem, make an intelligent decision right on the fly, and adjust its approach. That is the fundamental leap from a brittle plan to a truly resilient one.
So, we've walked through the why and the how. Now let's bring it all home and talk about what this means for you as a leader in your organization. Because, this isn't just interesting information. It's a mandate to act.
So let's just boil it all down to 4 key takeaways. Number 1, your data is your most critical asset, period. Protect it that way. Number 2, use a tiered strategy to protect it efficiently. Don't use a sledgehammer to crack a nut, right? Number 3, a clear, well-tested recovery playbook is completely non-negotiable. And finally, number 4, AI is the secret sauce. It's the intelligence that transforms your plan from static to adaptive, from brittle to truly resilient.
So I'll leave you with this one question to take back to your teams. I want you to take a hard look at your current disaster recovery plan. Is it just a collection of automated scripts? A house of cards just waiting for one unexpected gust of wind to knock it all down? Or is it truly intelligent, a system that can adapt to the disasters you haven't even thought of yet? The answer to that question could very well define the future of your organization.